Gabriella, make hit with my hairdryer and he won't let me fight it for me. And I tried to look for my hairdryer, but I couldn't find it.
SpongeBob, then why are you coming for me then, huh?
Because, Gabriella, without my hairdryer, I can't take this anymore, and I'm trying to look to find it.
Squidward, where's SpongeBob's spatula?
I don't know, Mr. Krabs. I don't have it.
Don't give me that bullshit, Squidward! Where did you put SpongeBob's spatula?
And why the hell do you care, Mr. Krabs?
Because, Squidward, I need to make me money, and you better give it back a spatula, Squidward!
And what if I don't want to?
That son of a bitch!
Okay, here it is. Here it is.
Thank you, Mr. Squidward! Now get back to work! Bitch! Where's SpongeBob? Where's spatula? Here on the back!
Well, thanks, Gabriella. My hairdryer's back. Here's your little kitty.
You're up, SpongeBob!